Hello and welcome to another riveting episode of Budget with Brian. Today I thought I've got a little bit of riveting to do, and the size of rivets that I'm going to be putting in are this sort of size and shape. They're quite small, and it's just to deal with some galvanized trunking that I want to just clip together while I then cut some holes in it. Some 20mm openings to pass some cables through. So I've got two rivet guns here. This is the sort of more traditional, older style, which has this flip around style adjuster to take your rivet, which fits in there like so, and then you open the jaws up and you squeeze and squeeze and squeeze, and then that sorts that out. Or you can use this beast. Now, it took me a little while to work out actually how to use this correctly, but I'm going to show you how to do it now. And if you're going to do any riveting and you've got the space to have such a thing in your toolbox, or in your, then this is really effortless. But first, let's go and mark out the job, get it drilled, and start fitting the rivets. So apologies it's so dark in here, but you know, these are the corners of the garage where there's just no light. But what I've done is I've just marked these out 25mm apart. I'm actually going to cut the holes 20mm because we're a little bit tight to the top here. But first things first, I need to just hit them with this little center punch. So we just create a little divot so that the drill finds and doesn't wander. So let's just do those quickly now. Okay, well that's the marking out done and the center punching done. And now I'm going to drill some lovely holes. Okay, so now we can just fit the little rivets and then we can pull them. So it's important that they fit all the way home and flush. You know how to fit rivets. Oh, that one's a bit tight. We'll have to come back to that. Now the tool itself comes with a number of adapters that you screw on the end, because it's important that the part that you're pulling is a good fit, and they're located around the edge of the handle. Originally I didn't spot those and thought that maybe they were in a different pack, but very handily they're secured to the handle. Now this is how you use the tool. You place it onto the rivet itself and then you just pull it all the way out and then push it in. Pull it all out and you're done. Effortless. Now the pin itself ejects after you've used it, but let's just do the rest. So all the way in, pull it all out, push it in, done. Eject. Oh, come on, don't fight me. There we go. So all the way out, slides in, done. And there we are.